Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kendra. I do lifestyle, beauty, fashion, and some travel videos for you guys. So if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. While you're at it, ring my bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. So today's video is all about my 1-year Locaversary. I am officially 1 year locked. As of October the 8th, 2020. So you guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen the photos and the videos that I posted in lieu of my Locaversary, but I just wanted to come on here and give you guys a 360 of my hair, what we're looking like, and just talk a little bit about, you know, some things that I'm experiencing at the 1 year mark. So if you guys are interested and you want to hear all the good details, keep on watching. The only thing that has changed is my maintenance, which is just my wash day. I'm not even sure if I'm 100% sold on this change, but I did try it out, and that is washing my hair without braiding and banding. Now, I did braid and band around the edges and the nape of my hair because those are the areas that are most prone to slipping out, so I didn't want to risk it. But I did let the rest of my hair free, and for the most part, it was great. I don't have any problems with any bunching whatsoever. It felt wonderful to be able to wash my hair, let it free under some water. It felt amazing. So I'm not sure if I'm sold on that. I think I might try it out one more time just to see what happens with my locks, and then we will go from there. But for the most part, I really feel like the rest of my hair is pretty much locked in there, and that I can stop braiding and banding. But that's pretty much all of the updates that I have on my hair. Nothing has changed lengthwise. I don't really see any changes whatsoever. Still looks the same from last month. So let's see what happens. Hopefully they will start to drop, and that length will start to show. Now, what are my goals when it comes to my locks? Like, how long do I want to grow them? I definitely don't want long hair. I am a bob girl or a taper girl. And I think the longest will probably be right here. I think if they can just stop right here and they can be even all around, then that would be great. If I could get away with this, that would also be great. But I like this length, right? Just touching the shoulders. I don't really like a lot of hair on my neck, but if we can do touching the shoulders, a nice bob length, then I would be ecstatic and happy with that. But I don't think I'm going to go on this journey to see how long they can grow. That's just not, I don't want long hair. When I did wash them under the water, they were heavy, and I don't want it to heavy, you know what I'm saying, on my head. So I think going any longer than this would irritate me. So I'm happy with just the shoulder length. So yeah, if you guys will comment below and let me know what your hair goals are, what your length goals are for your locks. Comment in the comment section and let me know. I would love to just kind of chat with you guys about that down below. I still don't use any products. I still just use distilled water and then the Suave Clarifying Daily Shampoo. That is pretty much it. Now, we're approaching the winter season, so I may need to pay a little bit more attention to my scalp. Maybe I may require a little bit more oil. And if I do, the only oil that I use is tea tree oil. And if I do have any scalp issues, I will, after wash day, I will use a little bit of tea tree oil just to alleviate that. But for the most part, just distilled water and shampoo and some edge control, of course. But this is the most carefree hair journey I've ever been on. It is just so liberating. It is literally hair freedom, and at this stage in my life, that is what I need. You guys know that I'm a business owner, and these days my focus, 90% of my focus, is on my clients. So having to worry about my hair is just, it can't be a part of my life at this point. So I know you guys ask me a lot about tutorials. Can I show you this? Can I show you that? I have to say that the tutorials may go down a bit because I am just so busy with being an entrepreneur, building my business, and also building my clients' businesses, that all my focus is there. I will always give you guys updates on my locks. But the constant, like on a weekly basis, just probably won't happen. I hate to say, it just probably won't happen. So don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. It's just you guys won't see, and you guys haven't been seeing as much hair content on my YouTube because that my focus is 100% on my business. Now, if you're on Instagram or Facebook, then you'll see me every day because I'm always posting every single day. But you will see me very active on my Instagram and my YouTube. So if you guys follow, I'm sorry, on my Instagram and on my Facebook. So if you guys follow me there, you will see everything that I'm doing on a day-to-day basis. My stories are always updated. So I would encourage you guys to follow me on Instagram and on Facebook, okay? But other than that, you guys, I don't have anything else for you. So we're going to go ahead and get into the 360. So I'm going to have to take my hair down and show you guys that. So stay tuned if you guys want to see the 360 of my hair at 1 year.